Hello Sundari. I really wanted to tell you these 3 products that I absolutely love. I would highly recommend that you guys try them. One is my all-time favorite beauty SPF juice. This is by far the best sunscreen that I have tried. SPF juice is one of those products that you will buy once and you will keep on buying it over and over again. It's a beautiful formula, all made in India. I would highly suggest you try this. The next product that I'm about to tell you, even I was surprised that I love this. It's the Acnologica Glow Dewy Sunscreen. It's pretty standard packaging for all Honasa products. I've noticed all of their brands use the same packaging. They just change the label. But I love the texture of this sunscreen. It is so light. Honestly, I don't really know how much the SPF in here works because I haven't really done a UV testing. But in terms of feel, this is like a beautiful sunscreen. Great for your eyes, great for your face. Last product that I really love. I have it on my face right now and it is the Lash Sensational Sky High. It's just some next level stuff. It gives you these long spidery lashes. Only issue that I find with this is that it can get clumpy sometimes, but I really like that clumpy effect because I can just remove a little bit. But if you've tried any of these, definitely let me know in the comments.